welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing some hair that I bought from UNice.com. The hair I ordered was the Peruvian Jerry curl hair, so I'm going to be unboxing it here today. If you'd like to stay tuned and see what I think of the hair, just stick around. So I just received the hair in the mail today. I ordered this hair on Tuesday night, so probably late Tuesday night, and I got the hair. Today is Friday, so I received the hair on Friday. So very fast shipping, I will say that. And as far as customer service is concerned, I've actually bought some hair from UNice before, but I ordered it from AliExpress. I didn't order it from UNice.com. So this time I ordered the hair directly from UNice.com, and you know, I still received the package or the hair in a good amount of time. When I ordered it on AliExpress, the hair was good. I ordered the Peruvian straight hair before, and their hair was pretty good, so I decided to check out their curly hair. There's 4 bundles in here, and I ordered, I think it was 22, 20, 18, and 16. And then they also included a pair of eyelashes, and this is the hair. So just right off the bat, it's nicely packaged. That's something different. I don't think it was packaged like this last time. So I'm back with all 4 bundles. I have them all here, and what I do want to say is that the packaging was really nice. It came in these little hair nets here, which it didn't come in that last time. Like, they really upped their game on the packaging, which I like. And then also they have these little UNice tags here, so I didn't see that last time. This is gonna be my first time installing curly hair, so I'm kind of excited about that. First of all, this hair, let me see, like, this hair is soft just from the touch of it. It's so soft. And then this is me running my fingers through it, no problem. Ooh, it is, when I say it is so soft, it is so soft. And I had the Peruvian straight last time, and the Peruvian, I had 2 installs with it, and I still have that hair. It's still really good hair. And for the price point, like, for the price point, you can't beat it. The smell of the hair is fine. The bundles look pretty full. You know, as you get shorter with the hair, of course, the shorter bundles, you know, are pretty big. So these are just the bundles. This hair is soft, y'all. I can't explain it, like, some good hair. You know, of course you never know until you install the hair. I'm super indecisive whenever I'm ordering hair, like, especially online, because you can't touch it, feel it, see it. You going off reviews, things like that. But I did my research on this hair, and I didn't see too many people with the Jerry curl Peruvian, so I took a leap of faith and got it. But other than that, customer service was really great. I used a coupon code that I have, which I will put in the link down below. You can get $3 off your order on UNice.com. You know, being that I've ordered from AliExpress and UNice, you know, I would say I had a great experience with both as far as the ordering process. So I can't tell you either which way to go. You know, AliExpress has way more reviews on it, so it's nice to see what kind of hair you want to get. But then again, UNice.com, whenever I chatted with anybody, they chatted me right back. Great customer service, so I can't say anything bad about UNice.com either. But definitely use the link below if you decide to get this hair. I will come back with a review, and if you have any questions about just the ordering process or anything like that, feel free to leave any comments down below. But I will check back with you in just a little bit once I install my hair. So here is the hair after I've installed it. And I've had the hair in for about 2 weeks, and I want to show you how I actually maintain this hair. This is 2-day-old hair. I haven't touched it in 2 days, put any product in it, and so I just want to show you how I actually maintain this hair and my routine on how I keep this hair looking fresh and new. I'm going to start by detangling the hair. So I'm going to take my hair in sections and spray each section with water. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and comb through the hair, just detangling it, taking out any knots. It's a lot easier to detangle curly hair while it's wet, so I definitely recommend combing through the hair when it's wet, not when it's dry. It just allows for a lot less breakage. I use this as my leave-in conditioner. So I just put my hair in sections. I'm gonna start with this back section here and put that all over my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Eco Styler gel. Put that all over the hair. This helps define the curls and keep them put once they are dry. After I put the gel on my hair, I'm going through my hair with a denim brush just to evenly distribute all the product in my hair. Once that's done, I also have my argan oil, and I put not even, you see that? Not too much. I just put a little, and I put that to seal in any moisture. This defines my curls, this brush. This helps to define my curls. I'll run this through, really defines them. Then I crunch them up. See how my curls get so defined. I crunch them up, and then I leave them alone. Here I'm just doing the same thing on the other side, putting the gel on my hair and the oils, combing through the hair with a denim brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and scrunch the hair up like I did on the other side, and this is when you see the curls just start to pop. You just see them start to come to life. So I'm back. This is what the hair looks like when it is pretty much dry. I'd say it's about, you know, it probably needs another 20 minutes before it's completely dry, but for the most part, it's dry. You'll see the curls are really defined. And turn around so you can see. The curls are super defined now. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to blend my hair with this hair. So you can see I have perm rods in my hair, and I just twist them up around them to blend my hair with this hair. So again, I really love how, see how defined the curls are. I really haven't touched it. These curls are beautiful. I love this curl pattern. And so I'm gonna go ahead and now take my hair out and blend it with my hair, and then so I'm back. This is the final product of the hair. So it's just beautiful. I would piece it apart, but it'll get big. Once I do that, I'll just leave it like this, and when I get to my destination, I might fluff it up a little bit. But this is the hair, fully dry. Fully dry, curl pattern still intact. I love this hair. I might have so many great things to say about this hair. I had 4 bundles, but I only put in 3 bundles. I have a full bundle left, and this hair can get pretty full. I wanted my beautician to put in 4 bundles, but 3 could only fit in my head. So 3 bundles of the Peruvian Jerry curl in my hair now. But again, I have nothing but good things to say about this hair so far. The hair is very lightweight, very manageable. So many, you know, nothing bad at all to say about the hair so far. This is my second purchase from UNice Hair. I originally ordered their Peruvian straight before, and I had that in multiple installs, so I figured why not try this. I would recommend this hair. Other than that, thank you for checking me out. Comment and subscribe, and I will talk to you or see you all later. Bye.